Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to make another account in Roblox. So firstly, you have to go to the Roblox website. So in your browser type Roblox, then go to the website of Roblox. After that, if you are logged into your account, go to the gear button and click on Logout. After you've logged out from your account, you have to select don't have any account, then sign up. In the sign up section, you have to input your details yet again. So first input your birthday alongside your year, then input a username that is available in Roblox. Then enter a strong password of at least 8 digits. Then enter your gender. After that, click on sign up. And after that, you will get into your new account, and now you can play in it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.